Hello everyone, Christopher here with McWane Science Center, and welcome to SciSparks. What if I told you you could see sound, and all you have to do is light it on fire? Don't believe me? Stick around. Now, everyone knows a crackling fire makes a sound, but lighting sound on fire? That's ridiculous, right? Well, sound is just vibrations wiggling the air, and air, certain gases anyway, can be flammable. And that's where this comes in. This is a Rubens tube, and as you can see, it's full of flammable propane gas. The faster that gas flows, the higher the flames get. Slower gas, lower flames. And like any gas, sound travels through it. The louder the sound, the bigger the vibrations. The bigger the vibrations, the bigger the flames. So what does sound look like? It looks like this. But there's something I haven't shown you yet. You see, this gets really interesting, not when I'm speaking, but when I'm singing. Watch this. To understand, think of air like a spring. When something vibrates, energy travels through the air as a wave before echoing back the other direction. When a new wave crosses paths with an echo, we get interference. Opposite waves cancel each other out, no movement. But like waves, squished air passes squished air, stretched air passes stretched air. It's like double bouncing on a trampoline. Double the movement. Remember, a note is just a vibration at a steady pace, or frequency. So send just the right note down just the right length of air, and we get resonance. Wave after wave, perfectly overlapping and interfering to create this. Think about it like a pendulum or like a swing. Because it has a certain length, it wants to rock at a certain speed. Try rocking at a different speed, it's going nowhere. But rock at just the right speed and, without using any extra force, it just goes higher and higher, and that is resonance. As it turns out, there's not just one resonant frequency either. Multiply the frequency of a resonating note by any whole number, you'll get a brand new note that resonates too. But here's the thing. You don't need fire to find resonant frequencies. In fact, let's put the fire away. Instead, the next time you find yourself in an enclosed space with solid, flat walls, a shower, a stairwell, try singing a few notes. Did any notes sound louder than others? Well, congrats, you found a resonant frequency. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, let us know by leaving us a like. Or to catch new episodes as soon as they're released, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.